Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. And today is 2022, 19th of August. Thank you for coming back here, right? So now in this session, I'm going to pick up some currency pairs to focus, okay, to trade later on in the UK session, okay? So how to live trade Forex today with our trading plan, okay? Hi, CK, Adam, Trinette, and Huberts and company. Wow, you're always early, huh? Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so over here, all right, and what we are going to look out for, all right, the first thing is that my MT4. Okay, first thing will be my MT4. Yep. Okay, so that's correct. And then what we are going to see now. Okay, yeah. I mean, just need to be a little bit. Let's take a look. What's that? We are going to. All right. Okay. Yeah. So now, tentatively, let's look at this first. Okay, I'm looking at the Aussie CAD. Let's analyze all the Aussie CAD first. All right. So Aussie CAD tentatively, same thing. We are still on the bull. Right. Yesterday, the bull is on the support, and today it is still on the support. It's still moving very smoothly. Okay, still hovering. No sign of selling, so we cannot sell at all. Okay. All right. So next thing to go, Aussie franc. Let's take a look at Aussie franc. So Aussie franc over here. Yep, Aussie franc. So tentatively, Aussie franc is also in the bull. So currently, I'm not going to touch this for selling. Aussie yen. Let's take a look at Aussie yen. Right, Aussie yen. Aussie yen currently is still in the bear, but the bear has a bit of the bear is now having a retracement. So today we are having a retracement trading. So will this retracement, okay, when it tested on the resistance, will it has a chance to actually swing down? Okay, so it's still possible. All right, it's still possible. So for Aussie yen, okay, for Aussie yen, tentatively, I'm going to put this Aussie yen into my selling list. All right. Okay, Aussie yen. All right. So next to go, Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi, right? Aussie Kiwi. Currently, I will see this as a bull. Tentatively, no for selling. So Aussie dollar also in the bull. So Aussie dollar is still in the bull, retesting the support. So now seems like this is actually still going for a buy. All right. So for now, okay, I'm not going to touch Aussie dollar. All right, Euro Aussie. How about Euro Aussie? Let's take a look at Euro Aussie. So Euro Aussie here, Euro Aussie. Right, yesterday we have tested the resistance and it came down. So now it's being supported. Okay, so tentatively we are in the bear. We are still in the bear. Okay, so that we are looking out for resistance. But today the resistance is a bit high up and the support is actually lower over here. And right now we are looking at we are right in the middle of nowhere. Okay, so tentatively I will not be focusing on this Euro Aussie for now. Okay, yeah, Euro CAD. How about Euro CAD? Yes, Euro CAD. We are in the bear. However, the bear come over here with a sideways. Correct? We are sideways. So over at this point here, yesterday was a good shot. Okay, for Euro CAD because we are in the sideways. So like I say, in the bear, just follow the prevailing trend. If this is the bear, okay, then we hit on the resistance, then we sell. But if it hits on the support, are we going to buy? I'm not going to buy. Okay, all right. So Euro CAD today we are actually more or less on the support. I think tentatively, unless it breaks the support, okay. If not, no trading. Okay, all right. So let's move again. Euro yen. All right, Euro yen. Hi, Ragnar. Namaste. Nice to see you here. I'm good. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, for Euro yen. Okay. Tentatively, we are still in the bear. Okay. We are looking for selling. But this bear is we still need to wait for Euro yen to reach to the resistant area, which is not really there yet. Okay, so still need a while for it to test on the resistance before we can start selling. So roughly, let me see, the resistance is still up here over at this point. Okay. Okay, we have a resistance level here, and the support level is here. So Euro Yen, okay, we can wait for a while. Okay, let's wait for Euro Yen for selling. Okay, but then the Euro Yen must go and test the resistance before we can start selling. Okay, all right. So this is one, okay, for Euro Yen. Okay, yep. Then let's move again to Euro Kiwi. Okay, Euro Kiwi. Okay. So Euro Kiwi over here, what are we looking out for? Euro Kiwi. Euro Kiwi. Okay, Euro Kiwi. Currently, as I see Euro Kiwi, okay, we are actually in the bull. So in the bull, I'm not going to sell it. Okay, so I will always want to flow with the trend. So Euro Kiwi is for the buyers, not for the sellers. So currently, I'm not going to put this into my list. Okay, Euro dollar. Well, Euro dollar looks good now. Okay, Euro dollar finally it turns back. Now it's turning back. It looks like it's going into the bear. Okay, so that's good. So now, let's see. When we look at this Euro dollar, yesterday because of the news, okay, the high impact news. So at this point here, as we can see, okay, the Euro dollar is actually ran back into the bear. However, when we go back to the bear, does it mean that we can still continue the selling? Yep. Okay. So at this point, okay, at this point, I'm actually looking out the last time we were talking about this level. Am I right? Once it breaks, I'm actually looking for the level below here. Okay. So right now it's actually coming into the level here. So yeah. Is there any support? Let me see. We have to readjust everything. Okay. It seems like now we are on the support. Okay, so not really very promising now. Okay, and the resistance actually is quite low as well. So it's better for it to break the support. It will be good for us to wait for it to break the support here. Then it's breaking. Then now waiting for it to retest. Then we will give a selling. Okay, that is quite a good one. All right. Okay, Euro dollar. Okay, Euro dollar. Yeah, okay, Euro dollar over here. I'm gonna put this into my watch list. Okay, and Pound Aussie. Yeah, Pound Aussie over here. All right, and Pound Aussie. How is this Pound Aussie going to do? Okay. Okay. So with this, okay, with this over at this point here, Pound Aussie, it is still not very good now. Okay. Pound Aussie, okay, it is still not very good. Okay, for Pound Aussie, we are actually now into the bear, right? So tentatively over here, this is where I'm looking out for if I'm going to sell. Okay, let me check. Is it correct? Okay, so Pound Aussie, we have hit on the support here. Okay, we hit the support over here. So tentatively, it's still going upwards, and we wait for it to actually test the resistance before we can take action. Okay, so rightfully here. Okay. Well, Pound Aussie, perhaps we need to wait for a while. Not really now, so I'm not going to put this in my consideration. Right, Pound CAD. How about Pound CAD? Pound CAD, we are in the bear. So one thing about this Pound CAD over here, okay, same thing. It has actually shrink down, okay, because of the news yesterday. So now is for Pound CAD, I will say that the Pound CAD tentatively, I will say that for Pound CAD, it is not very ideal to continue the selling because we are on the support. Okay, so at this point here, there's one here. So if we are going to continue the selling, all right, so then we may need to wait for it to break the support. Okay, then we will continue the selling after that. Okay, because this one is about 30 to 40 pips, so still quite a good space. All right, so the pound CAD, we can wait for it to break the support before we take action. Okay, all right, so that's for pound CAD. Okay, that's for pound CAD. Yep, pound CAD. Okay. And then next will be pound franc. Let's take a look at pound franc. Pound franc, we are on the support. So no, this very clear cut. Okay, it's very clear. So now today, no, it's a retracement day. Pound yen. Let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen is in a bear walking the sideways. Bear walking the sideways, huh? Okay. So at this point here, pound yen. So are we still going to sell? Pound yen, indeed, it is still in the bear. Okay, so we can still look out for selling. All right. So over at this point here, I'm still looking out for selling. All right. So the target is be. Let me put this away first. Okay. Aha, over here there's the support and the resistance. Okay, the resistance is actually coming near very soon. We are coming very near to the resistance. Okay, so let's wait for this pound yen to reach to the resistance before we actually start selling. Okay, so pound yen is still good. All right, pound yen is still pretty good. Okay, so let me take down this pound yen. Okay, so pound kiwi. All right, pound kiwi. So pound kiwi right now, I'm proceeding to the bull. So heading to the north. So definitely not for me. Okay. So how about pound dollar? Yeah, pound dollar also good. Pound dollar. All right. Pound dollar is also running good. Pound dollar at the point now. Okay. Yesterday, right? Yesterday has a big drop because of the news once again. And over at this point here, right now, we has entered. Like yesterday, we were talking about this. This is my targeted area. Am I right? So once it enter into this area, wow, you see the swing is so good. Of course, with the help of the high impact news, then we are actually heading down to this level, correct? We're heading down to this level. Yep. Okay. But of course, today we cannot be expecting that one candle go all the way down. So it will have some turbulence as well. So tentatively, I see that over here, seems that we are on the support. Okay. Then about the resistance? Okay, the resistance maybe. Aha. Okay, so we should be looking at this level. Check. Okay, so resistance. Okay, so that's the resistance level. So probably today it may still swing for a while. Okay, swing up for a while before it started to sell. Okay, all right. So I guess this one should have about 13 pips away before it starts selling. So that's for pound dollar. Okay, or probably today. Okay, it may started to retrace upwards to take out all the losses. Okay, so that we can make some profit and then after that they will come for a selling. Okay, all right. So yeah, pound dollar. That's for pound dollar. What about dollar CAD? Dollar CAD, well, I think that's very obvious. We are running on the bull now, so no. Okay, I'm going to skip this. How about dollar franc? Same. I'm going to skip this. Good for buyer, but not for seller. Okay. Well, dollar yen. Well, dollar yen is still escalating upwards. So yesterday we were talking about this dollar yen is actually hovering around. Right? It's hovering around. And then over here. Right, so then after that it started to swing down and push up very high. Okay, so yeah, that is one thing. So dollar yen today we are still looking out for buying, still possible, but there will be a drop. There may be a small drop. Okay, from this dollar yen because we are actually very near to the resistance now. We are into the resistance area. Okay, right. So dollar yen may slip off a bit, then after that continue to go. Okay, so yeah, that's for dollar yen. So for Bitcoin over here, Bitcoin, well, very good drop. Yesterday we were talking about Bitcoin that we wanted to see a drop. well, it's now finally into this 22.8. Okay, 22.8. So I've actually plotted this area. Okay, I plotted this area. So it's actually exceeded my expectation. So now coming down into this level. Okay, so I guess some crypto trader should benefit from the news from yesterday. Okay, so that's a quite a good one. And I see that many people have leave a lot of PMs into my Facebook page. Okay, so yeah, congratulations everyone. Okay, that's very good. Okay, yeah, so that's all for now. Okay, and yeah, let's take a look. Okay, so now let's take a look at all these tentatively. No question on the goal. Then I will talk the goal. Okay, probably later on in the UK section. All right, so in the London session, okay, so let's see what do we have for selling today. Okay, I'm going to send it out, okay, and run the caption so that you will be able to see, okay. All right, and hey, we are going to sell Aussie yen, Euro yen, Euro dollar, pound CAD, pound yen, and pound dollar, okay. So all these are for selling, but those that needed to wait for the resistance to be met, okay, then we have to wait. Okay, so just be patient. All right. Okay, so that's all for now. This session. Later I will be coming back. Okay, later I'll be coming back to host the live trading session. Okay, so guys, remember to smash the like button. Okay, smash the like button, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? So that in the later in this London session, we will be able to trade together. Okay, all right. Hi, Carol. There's a news for pound today. Okay, there's a news for pound today. I think it's not very the retail sales, right? So not very big one. Of course, there will be some movement. Okay, yep, definitely. Okay, anyway, I shall see you guys later on. Okay, in the UK session. Okay, all right. See you again. Thank you, guys. This is Everyday from ACS Learning Hub. See you again.